Welcome back to Good Day Chicago. So while you're out holiday shopping, it's a good time to put yourself on the holiday shopping list and invest in the right pair of boots to get you safely and, most importantly, warmly, right? Through these winter months. It's tough to do. Today we're joined by foot and ankle surgeon Dr. David Garras of Midwest Orthopaedics at Rush. He's here to tell us what kind of boots we should be looking for. First of all, I always just look, if I like what it looks like, I put it on, it's comfortable, that's what I go with. Why are boots so important, choosing the right boots?
That's a great question. So over a third of the adults in the U.S. will have a slip and fall during the winter. Most of these happen on sidewalks and in parking lots, and the right shoe wear can actually prevent most of these. So if we can get people to wear the right shoes, the right kind that are supportive, then we can avoid a lot of injuries.
And you've brought some examples for us, right?
We have, yes.
What are we specifically looking for here?
Sure. There are a couple of points that we're looking for when we're looking for a boot. We want support, we want traction, we want them to be warm and comfortable, and we want them to be waterproof. And so we'll go through these and I'll show you what we're looking at exactly.
Okay, perfect. So, let's start with the red ones.
Let's start with the red ones.
Okay.
Very beautiful, very sexy, very festive and holiday-like, but very little support for the ankle itself.
Okay.
And absolutely no traction on the bottom.
Oh yeah, you can see that. I mean, they're beautiful, but there's no traction here.
But definitely a bad boot for the winter months.
Okay. Maybe this is just something you carry to the work party and then you put it on when you get there?
And you put it on when you get there, absolutely.
Okay, what about these? These look cute. These look very warm, actually.
Very warm, very supportive.
Okay.
Good zipper all the way up to support your ankle and good insoles to support your arches.
Okay.
And they have great tread on them. More importantly, these have a temperature rating, which some shoes have, which is great because they will keep your feet warm and dry throughout the winter.
And we need that here in Chicago, right?
Absolutely.
A temperature rating, so be on the lookout for a temperature rating.
Be on the lookout for a temperature rating.
Interesting. All right, what about these? These look very stylish.
These are probably my favorite boot of all because they will give you a heel, but it's a nice wide heel.
Okay.
They have great traction with a good heel break on them, and they give you great ankle support as well because they have a nice zipper on them.
You're looking for a zipper at the ankle?
At the ankle, because they'll give you support at the ankle and good support at the arch as well.
Okay, and last pair?
And the last pair are also equally as good. These are very dry, waterproof, good tread on the bottom, and they will give you the support that you need with a good zipper or a good lace up the front.
Okay, and lastly, before we're running out of time, but I gotta ask you, okay, I'm gonna take off my own boots that I'm wearing right now. I wear these every day, all day, throughout the winter. I mean, and they're all over. You see everyone in Uggs all the time.
Everybody loves Uggs.
They're comfortable, they're warm. Are these good or bad?
These are actually not very good. The problem with them is, although they do have good tread on them, they have absolutely no support for your ankle, no support for your arches whatsoever, and they're not waterproof. So that could be a big problem. And you know, wet feet can be a bigger problem than just feeling yucky.
So now I've got to buy a whole new pair of boots. Doctor, thank you so much. We appreciate you coming in. This is good information for our viewers.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thanks for, all right, Corey, John, now you guys know what to buy me for the holidays because I can no longer wear my boots.
Yeah, whose desk did your boot land on, by the way?
I don't know. I think it just hit someone. It's fine.
That's great. That's great.
Dangerous place, the newsroom.
Yeah.
Dangerous reporters.